Hey, what's up, guys? It's Nasar, aka the RealEstate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. In this video, you're gonna see me on the live appointment, whereas I got the deal already and I was just out there taking pictures and asking questions. Make sure you pay attention so when you do get appointments, it can be easy for you as well. See you on the other side. All right, so the kitchen is over here, so we walk in. Just step in and, I'm sorry, I'm gonna let you step out. I don't wanna get you in the picture, please. Thank you. Okay, perfect. So it's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Right? Oh, 3. Okay, so we got another one. Okay. Oh, that's interesting.
A little soft over there.
He needs some milk.
Thank you. All right. We don't need the light. Thank you. We're all done inside.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna just walk outside.
Okay.
All right. So what I'm gonna do is just snap some pictures. So, how long has this been in the family?
I say that 1973.
Gotcha. Okay. So you said it stops right. I see it. Yep. Right there.
That's where the last people did it. They said it was way up there, but it used to, it was always right along in here. Somewhere right along in here, and it goes around to that pipe down there.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but the different surveyors, but it goes around to the back of that car, down to where that.
Come here, Taylor.
Oh, I was almost down there to where she was standing.
Yeah.
That last tree with that telephone pole. So it's shaped like a pork chop almost.
Yeah. I've seen that online.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. That's why I asked about the shared driveway. Was always like that though. Where we got everything we needed.
Okay.
The pictures and everything. You have any questions? I guess you could call my partner at this point. That's basically it.
Okay.
Or we have any questions, we'll reach out to you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Basically what we did a wrap up. We already got the house in the contract. Not gonna reveal the numbers right now because of haven't sold it yet and still beginning the process. But all I wanna do is get pictures. Now with those pictures, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put those in a Google Drive folder, label it the address, and share that link with potential cash buyers. So it's a lot more neater that way. I want you to peep something out, right? When I went to the property, looked at the roof, there was a black mark on the roof. I didn't say anything, all I did was stare at it. And I teach this in my course. And by me staring at it, he said, oh, that was a water leak. Don't go too far in the corner, you might could fall through. I didn't beat up the house. I didn't say, oh, it's out, what? All I did was look at it and stare at it. And he came out and told me what's going on with the property. Keep that in mind, man. You don't gotta go in these houses and beat them up. Some people, will tell you, hey, this is what's going on over there. Yeah, that's basically it, man. Go to freenasbook.com so that you can start doing deals like these yourself. Get my free ebook. Hit that like button. I need it. And now you gotta hit the like button for me.
Man, what took me up this time? You crazy? Fuck you up. Out of here, man. Check this out, man. I got these burgers, man. They some double cheeseburgers.
Bruh. And comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Peace.